Islam haters, please
Open the
note this.
Quran and read the Quran before having any opinions about anything.
Absolutely.
Now let's carry on.
Open, read, find the
And have an
details.
open mind.
Open
learn
mind.
And come to a conclusion yourself.
Yeah. Open mind, learn, find the conclusion. Good. I believe Jesus is God. So I am a person with shirk. So I am a corrupter.
Yeah.
What do-
We should kill you now.
See?
Yeah.
You see the
we
point?
should kill him.
No, this is not a joke.
I know.
Okay, let's
Well,
start
you
again.
asked very clearly.
What do you want to do? Let me ask you a very simple question. Yeah. Islam is a religion of violence. Do we agree?
This has nothing to do with the argument. Go back
Can
to
we?
verse and
This is very important.
I will not answer this.
What I'm
I
talking
am
about
not
right
gonna
now
fall
is
for it.
very, very important.
It's not.
Do we agree that Islam is a religion
We're
of
not going to go
violence?
over religion here. We are going to go over facts.
Do we agree or not?
Look,
How many Muslims? On what basis are you saying Islam
you
is
know
not
you
a
can't
religion of
debate me.
violence?
Come on, man. It's a
On
Palestine.
what basis
Come
are you
on.
saying Islam is not a religion of
It
violence?
says in the Quran multiple times, more than the violent chapters, like by 10 times, that don't kill anyone if you murder one
Which
person.
chapters? 10 times you're saying. This is surprising to me. Very, very surprising. But do we, first of all, let's begin with a simple agreement. Could you please come here? Let's begin with a simple agreement. Do we agree?
Look at what
Do we
he's
agree?
doing.
Do we agree?
One second,
Thank you. Thank you.
Wallahi, he's a
Please.
coward.
Thank you.
He's a coward. He's a massive
Wallahi,
coward.
wallahi, listen, please.
You're a coward, man.
Do we agree? One second. Can you please? I'm trying to. One second. A little bit, please. Just a little. Thank you very much. So, what? So, do we at least agree that there are many chapters in the Quran which are violent chapters? Do we agree on that?
Talking about war and stuff like that, yeah.
One of the basic tenets of Islam is that Muslims should fight for
You
Islam.
mean 5 pillars? You mean basic tenets?
I'm going with Quran right now. Quran. Are you an Arabic speaker?
Yeah.
You are.
Yeah.
So you've and have you?
No, you're talking to the right person. I'll answer.
How old are you?
23.
20, so you've read-
24 this month. Well, it doesn't matter.
So you've read the Quran multiple times in your own mother tongue.
I've read it.
So and we both can agree.
English and Arabic.
English, Arabic, but you read Arabic too. You are an Arabic speaker also. Can we both very quickly agree there are many chapters in the Quran which seriously advocate that if you want to be a sincere Muslim, you need to be violent. Do we agree on this?
Incorrect.
On what basis are you saying this? Are you saying such a passage doesn't exist?
If you murder one person, it's as if you killed the whole nation.
Where is
you
that?
can ask
Where is
any
that?
Muslim
Where is
this,
that?
and they will know what to tell
Where
you.
is
Any
that?
Muslim.
Where is this?
Wherever it is. If you
I'll
ask
get
any
you where it is.
Muslim,
Brother,
any
listen,
Muslim
listen,
here,
I'll show you.
what does it say about killing someone? They will tell you, the first thing they will tell you is if you kill one Muslim, one person, is as if you killed an
I'll
entire
get the verse
nation.
for you, just to help you out.
Beautiful. Great.
I'll
Let's
get the
help
verse
me.
for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Show the camera as well.
Yeah, no, don't worry. I'll put the verse up on. Yeah.
Great.
So Surah 5, Ayah 32. Yeah. Surah
Al-Ma'idah.
Al-Ma'idah, Ayah 32, and let's read this. Let's
after-
one second. Let's
No
read
problem,
this.
we can go step by
Yeah,
step.
please. Let's
Yeah.
one step at a time.
So
So
is this talking about the one nation thing that we just talked about right now? Is
no,
this
no.
something else?
If you kill one person, then you're killing everyone. Yeah, the verse that you quoted. Yeah, let's read. Surah. One second, please. Surah 5, Ayah 32. For that cause, we decreed for the children of Israel that whoever kills a human being for other than killing or corruption in the earth, it would be as if he had killed all mankind. And whoever saves the life of one, it would be as if he had saved the life of all mankind. With me so far? This is what you wanted to quote, yeah? Can we please continue reading? Now, yeah. But firstly, shall we note carefully?
Did you get that, guys?
Did you get that? Very important. Let's get this. So can we? Islam haters, please
Open the
note this.
Quran and read the Quran before having any opinions about anything.
Absolutely.
Now let's carry on.
Open, read, find the
And have
details.
Open mind.
Open
learn
mind.
And come to a conclusion yourself.
Yeah. Open mind, learn, find the conclusion. Come to the conclusion. Can I please move the camera? Sorry. Sure, let's read this. So Surah 5, Ayah 32. Can we first, maybe come over a little bit. So can we please first of all agree, 32, for that cause we decreed for who? The children of Israel. Do you see that?
Where?
Surah 5, Ayah 32. So that whoever kills a human being, so that particular principle, whoever kills a human being, principle, Allah, Islamic Allah claims, was given to the
Where did
children
you
of
read-
Israel.
You read it from here.
No, 532, Surah 532.
No. Where you read that whole nation thing? You said you're going to go to the next verse.
Here.
So read that again and then keep
Let's
going.
read that again and let's get the details. For that cause,
this is something here
one
that-
second.
Yeah.
I'll read again. Will. For that cause, we decreed for the children of Israel that whoever kills a human being for other than killing or corruption in the earth, it would be as if he had killed all mankind. That's the same we read earlier. Yeah? And whoever saves the life of one, it would be as if he had saved the life of all mankind. We read this earlier. Can we agree that Islamic Allah says that's an instruction given to the children of Israel? Yeah?
Yeah, it's,
You said read it properly with open mind.
this Quran here.
One second. Read it one second. Just 1 second. We agreed earlier that we need to read it properly with an open mind, read the details and conclude properly. Can we conclude this is not for the Muslims but for the children of Israel? Can we conclude?
It says that right there, yeah.
Yeah. So this is not for Muslims. Muslims won't. What do you mean it does?
No, it
Decreed
says it
for the
there.
children of Israel.
It does say it there, yeah.
So this is for the children of Israel.
However, this
No.
is
Let's see what Muslims need to take seriously. We'll read that. Yeah.
All right, go on.
1 second. Whoever kills a human being for other than killing or corruption in the earth. I'd really like for you to note that carefully
Fasad,
and then
fasad.
read further.
It's fasad
Yeah?
in Arabic. Yeah.
Now let's read further. Our messengers came to them of old with clear proofs, but afterwards many of them became prodigals in the earth. The only reward of those who make war on Allah and His messenger and strive after corruption in the land will be that they will be killed or crucified. Yeah?
Okay.
For those who
The
cause
death penalty.
corruption,
Okay, death
for
penalty
those who
kind of
cause corruption, do you think Christians cause corruption?
Some of them.
Who are the Christians who cause corruption?
The ones that cause corruption are the ones that cause corruption.
Yeah, who are they? What is the
Do you want me to
corruption we're
name
talking
them?
about? What is the corruption we're talking
That
about?
has caused corruption. Murder, theft, dishonesty. Example, usury, fraud, rape.
Interesting. You have read the
crimes,
Quran.
crimes.
1 second. You have read the Quran yourself. The Quran is very particular that there is one kind of worst corruption. Do you know what it is?
Believing that there's no God.
Believing what?
Shirk.
Shirk. Very good. And you think Christians commit shirk?
No.
Christians don't commit shirk?
1 second.
What does the Quran say? Does the Quran
Let
say?
me land. Only the ones that believe that Jesus is God.
Good. I believe Jesus is God. So I am a person with shirk. So I am a corrupter.
Yeah,
What do-
We should kill you now. You
see?
Yeah.
You see the
we
point?
should kill him.
So this is not a joke.
I know. I'm just
This
taking it where
is-
you want to go. No, it is a joke.
No,
it's funny.
It's funny
Because
for you.
you're still alive.
No, 1 second. my
That's
dear.
why it's funny.
No,
I'm
it's-
trying
excuse
to
me.
pop a bubble. I'm
I am-
trying to pop a bubble in your head.
I am not in
You're
Mecca
still
in
alive.
Saudi Arabia.
You're still alive.
I'm not in Mecca.
How many Christians have been
Where
killed?
are we alive?
How
Where
many
am I alive?
Christians have been killed due to this?
Where am I
Due
alive?
to this blasphemy that they're committing.
Where am I alive?
Christians are dying left, right, and center. Every Muslim here has a sword.
Where am
And
I
we have
alive?
Killed all Christians. We should kill all Christians.
How many Christians were
That's what we
killed by
want, right?
Muhammad
That's
and his
what-
army?
Where's this happening?
By Muhammad and his army, how many
Conquer.
Christians are killed?
Crusades, conquering.
Look, Muhammad and his army.
You want to talk about the Spanish Inquisition?
Do you have a hearing
You wanna
issue?
talk about war
Do you
or
suddenly
do you
have a
talk about
hearing
religion?
issue right now? I thought we were supposed to read,
Read.
understand with an open mind, and get to where the evidence leads us. Do we agree?
We agree.
Do we agree?
We agree on what?
So we need to read,
okay.
understand, find evidence, and go where the evidence leads us with an open mind. We agreed. You said earlier Muslims think, or Islamic theology is that Christians should not be killed. But where we have got to right now, one
Shirk
second.
is,
One second.
immorality.
Can I finish my point?
It's immoral.
One.
To be honest.
Let me finish my point. But so you said Christians don't have to be killed by Islam. But we just read.
No.
The children of Israel, the children.
Killed. I'll take it one further. Christians are not killed in Islam.
My dear friend, I'm not asking
Not
for your.
should or shouldn't.
Did
or
you
should
earlier say read? Did you say this? Yeah. So
but
I'm. One
Every
second.
Muslim has told you that there's context.
Why are
I'm
you
trying to
afraid
make you
Can we
aware.
read this?
You're coming from the outside. You're an outsider.
Can we
You're
read this
coming
right
into
now?
this religion,
Do you have an open mind?
and they make their own conclusions about
Do
Islam.
you have an open
I'm
mind?
trying to make you aware to a fact.
But do you have an
There
open
is
mind?
more context that everyone has been telling you for years. They say,
Do you
listen,
have an open
there's
mind?
context in this verse.
Do you have a
But
mind
for
at
some
all?
reason
Whether
it
it's
doesn't
open or
enter there.
closed?
I don't know why. Why does it not enter?
you have a mind at
There's
all?
context in these words.
You're smirking. Do
Christians
you have a
are
mind
alive.
at all?
Of course I'm smirking.
You know what you're talking about, and you know exactly what you're trying to hide.
So you
I
think-
am
now have drawn a
perfectly
conclusion.
convinced.
Okay.
Do you have
don't
a
believe what
mind
you're saying.
at all?
You don't believe what you're saying.
Do you have a mind at all?
You tell me.
Well, you
No,
tell me.
no, I don't.
Okay, then the conversation is over. It's very, very simple.
Because you're asking,
Did you not earlier say you need to have an open mind? Can we get an open mind right now?
Yes, we can.
Good, good.
Love,
And what did you say? Whether we have to read with an open mind. Can we do that right now?
can, yeah.
Cool. Shall we do that right now?
Let's read.
So let's read. So the first part we said are for the children of Israel. The first instruction, yeah? It's a couple of instructions still for children of Israel. Now we are getting to instruction given to Muslims. The only reward for those who make war on Allah and His messenger and strive after corruption in the land will be that they will be killed or crucified or have their hands and feet
Jesus.
or have their hands and feet on alternate sides cut off or will be expelled from the land. Such will be their degradation in the world, and in the hereafter theirs will be an awful doom. Shall we quickly agree, please? I don't want to waste time. You and I agreed. You said Christians commit shirk because anyone who calls Jesus is God is committing a shirk. It is
Immoral.
the Quran. One second. The Quran is very clear. This is the worst of shirks possible. You agree? So you are with an open mind. Please don't look somewhere else. You need to focus here. What we have read here is here. Please focus right now. Don't daydream and try to see how you can escape from where you caught up. Please, one second.
Jesus, I'm trying to come
Can we agree? Can we agree? Whether you do it or not, you might be a lovely man, but a very bad Muslim. Can we best agree that the text says a Muslim who takes the Quran seriously, who has the guts to follow the Quran seriously, will need to fulfill what Islamic Allah Himself has given as an edict here. Christians should be either killed or crucified or have their hands and feet on alternative sides cut off. No, let's conclude this and then you ask me a question. Do we agree a good
wanna make a
Muslim,
statement.
Osama bin Laden would be a good Muslim? Do we agree?
Fine, I'll answer you. Fine, I'll answer
One second. Do we agree Osama bin Laden is a good Muslim because he ends up killing Christians?
You know, 50
He ended up.
Question. 50 years ago, 100 years ago, there was a death penalty, right? There was a death penalty in this country and in the
Are you
West.
talking about the UK right now?
I am.
We're talking about
I
Islam.
am answering your
UK wasn't
Can you let
governed
me
by
answer it
Islam.
in the way I want to answer it, or do I have to follow?
I'll give you 2 minutes.
If you want to answer
I'll
it
entertain
yourself,
you for 2 minutes.
talk to yourself. If you want to hear what someone else has to say, let me say.
I'll entertain you for 2 minutes, but if it's irrelevant to what we were talking about, I'll bring you back to the subject.
Perfect. In this country and in other countries, there's a death penalty, and there's crimes raging from treason, blasphemy. So if you say in some countries in the UK and like back in the day and in America, if you say something bad about the Queen, for example, they'll hang you. And that's the Queen, that's a human being. There's laws against thefts, there's laws against murder, there's laws against blasphemy, as I said. So when the Quran comes along and does rules that are followed, you're saying this now, you have the luxury of saying this now because right now, this country has become secular, where they don't believe in killing
You're
anyone.
waffling on right now. Can we please quickly agree?
What does secular
whatever
mean?
reason, whatever.
Secular means
one
they
second.
don't follow the word of God
1 second.
as law.
I don't consider the Quran to be the
law
word
is
of God
done
at
by-
all.
that's
But
what
let's
I'm
let's come there.
So this book here says that the word of God is law because it's not secular.
You're giving an excuse and then a reason.
I'm not giving an excuse.
I'm focused
I'm
on
making
the
you aware.
conclusion first.
Because you're saying
Do we both agree that the Quran?
You're pinpointing Islam and you're saying Islam is like this. I'm telling you
Isn't
the whole
Islam-
world is like this. It's only now you have the luxury to look at Islam with a magnifying glass and say, look at this book, what it's saying.
Look,
I'm saying,
Can we agree?
This is the norm.
You're waffling on right now. Can
This
we
is the
agree?
norm. I'm saying this is the
Can
norm.
we agree? Because you started off somewhere else. Now you are being defensive.
saying I'm
You are
not
being
being
defensive. Can we
As
very
long as
quickly
the camera
agree?
Can hear me, I'm happy.
Absolutely.
Because you're being defensive.
Absolutely.
You're actually being
Can we
defensive.
please
You're not being
quick?
open-minded to what I'm saying.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Can we please very quickly agree? The Quran is extremely clear.
The Quran has-
whatever
the
excuse,
Quran has
let me
no-
finish. Let me finish, please.
Yeah.
Whatever excuse you
Thank
give,
God, thank you.
whatever excuse you give, the Quran is extremely clear for whoever takes the Quran seriously, i.e., a faithful Muslim. When they find a Christian who considers Jesus to be God, who a Christian is, you are supposed to kill them, crucify them, or chop their hands on the alternative sides. You've also been. Can I please tell you one more thing? Can I please tell you one more thing? The Quran also says. The Quran also says, if it is convenient for you, the Quran also says,
Be open-minded.
if it is not
Everyone's saying
convenient
no.
for you to tell the
Why do you
truth,
still want to believe
lie.
that? Why do you still want to believe
Have you heard of this
that
word called
humans-
taqiyya?
No, this is we don't believe this.
You don't believe in
Haram to
taqiyya?
lie. It's haram to lie.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. That says it all. It's Islamic
haram to
theology.
lie.
That'll be another story, Ryan. Thank you very much. Lovely to speak to you.
Listen, thank you, yeah.
God's blessings. Good to see you. Good to see you. Hey, good to see you. God's blessings. Muslims are liars big time, like how you have demonstrated right now. Thank you very much.